Hello everyone. Welcome to our tutorial on how to build your very own Copilot using Copilot Builder. Whether you're a developer, a business owner, or just curious about AI, this guide will help you create a dynamic assistant that can engage and assist you and your users. Let's get started. Once you're signed up and logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. Now let's create a new Copilot. Click on Copilots from the menu and then select Add Copilot. You'll be prompted to enter a name and a brief description for your Copilot. Make sure to choose something descriptive that reflects its purpose. You have a few options. Use the AI assistant to guide you through the process, copy a pre-existing Copilot, or select one of our templates. Templates are a great starting point if you find one that fits your needs. But our AI assistant allows you to ask questions and get help customizing your Copilot. Talk to the assistant like you would talk to a consultant hired to build your Copilot for you. You'd be surprised how much it can help you through this process. Once you've created your Copilot, you can fine-tune its settings in this Edit Prompt screen. Here you can adjust the basic guidelines for your Copilot, like its personality, objective, and how it greets users. The additional rules space can be handy for customizing your Copilot. Here, you can see that I am having my Copilot direct users to a help email address in case it cannot help them with their specific questions. In the advanced settings, you can adjust the creativity level, enable real-time data access, and even allow image generation. You can also log your chat history, which we highly recommend. You may also change the large language model, or LLM, for your Copilot. See our guide in the Help section on what each LLM excels in to see if there is one that would best fit your Copilot. Next, let's enhance your Copilot's capabilities by adding data collections. Click Data from the menu, then Add Data Collection. You can upload various document types or even reference URLs that your Copilot will use to provide accurate information. Keep in mind that URLs are snapshotted at the time you add them to the collection. So, if the information on the URL changes, you will need to refresh the upload. It's as easy as pressing Refresh. Once you have created your data collection, select Data Collections from the Copilot Management screen. Here is where you connect your Copilot to your data collection. You may want to choose to have your Copilot only use data from your selected collections. This will help your Copilot respond as accurately as possible. Testing is crucial. After setting everything up, click on Test to interact with your Copilot. This is your chance to see how it responds and make any necessary adjustments. If it's not quite right, go back and tweak the prompt or data sources. You can also reach out to us if you need any help. Once you're satisfied with your Copilot, it's time to deploy it. You can choose between hosted deployment, frame deployment, or API deployment. Our Help section provides detailed instructions for each deployment option. They each have their own benefits, so select the one that best fits your needs. And that's it. You've successfully built your own Copilot. Remember, you can always go back to adjust, test, or redeploy as needed. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out or check out our help documentation. Thanks for watching and happy building.